Federal High Court for Abuja on Wednesday admit video wey show Nnamdi Kanu announce im Eastern Security Network (ESN) another lockdown for Southeast. For the video wey dem play for court, the IPOB leader dey talk things wey federal government say dey cause wahala, na why dem charge am for terrorism. From one video wey dem tag broadcast by Nnamdi Kanu show as im dey yarn to im followers about the blessed land of Biafra. For the video, Kanu announce say ESN don start and e tell people to defend their land from wetin e call Fulani domination. The one Southeast politician say make dem no sell out and e give order say any Fulani wey dem do herdsmen no go enter their land again. Federal government witness wey dem dey call PWBBB tell court say wetin Kanu do na make violence burst for Southeast. The witness wey federal government lawyer Chief Adeboyega Awomolu San bring show flash drive wey get Kanu old videos and audio before dem catch am. Even though Kanu lawyer shout objection, court still collect the flash drive as evidence. Dem mark am as exhibit PWA and the certificate na PW1. Before that time, court don accept one letter from former Attorney General to the Federation, Abubakar Malami, SAN, wey e write since June 17, 2021. The letter accuse Kanu of terrorism, kilikili and to dey ginger violence. Dem give the letter to DSS and since nobody argue, court mark am as exhibit PWF. Federal government lawyer beg court for adjournment because dem still get plenty video wey dem never finish play as e pass 1 hour. Kanu lawyers no argue, so Justice James Kolawole Omotosho shift the case till May 8 make dem continue. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.